Got an FDI file from an Acronis backup and need to restore your system? This disk image format protects entire computers from data loss. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Acronis True Image Disk images. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust FDI file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. An FDI file is a disk image created by Acronis backup software, representing a full or partial snapshot of a hard drive. Users typically create these files for disaster recovery or system migration. The primary intent for opening an FDI file is to restore data, mount it as a virtual drive, or explore its contents. The FDI format is a proprietary binary container designed for efficient storage and restoration of disk data. It includes compression and encryption to save space and secure the backup. The structure allows for incremental and differential backups, where only changed data blocks are stored, optimizing backup speed and size. For full accurate reading of FDI data, rely on Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office by Acronis International GmbH. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows can't load the image as a usable drive without additional software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your FDI file and select Open With. If Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If the FDI file won't budge, stay calm. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the FDI file. First, restoring with Acronis. Install Acronis True Image and open the FDI file through the application's Restore interface. Choose between full system restoration, partition restoration, or selective file recovery from the disk image contents. Acronis handles the decompression and writing process, restoring data to target drives or partitions. Next, mounting as virtual drive. Use Acronis True Image's mount feature to access FDI image contents as a virtual drive without performing full restoration. Browse the mounted image, extracting individual files or folders as needed. This approach enables quick file recovery without restoring entire systems for selective data retrieval. Finally, creating bootable recovery media. Create Acronis bootable recovery media on USB or DVD, enabling system restoration when the host operating system cannot boot. Insert the recovery media boot from it, and run Acronis True Image in standalone mode to restore FDI images to systems that have suffered complete operating system failures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.